In today's video, you'll learn how to add options in bulk to a select field when using Bricksforge Pro Forms. This is useful when you're trying to add a lot of options to the select field, but they are not in a dynamic data like ACF or MetaBox, and they are too long for you to be adding them statically as individual elements. So for this one, we'll be using the JSON formatted data, and this is really easy to use. So let's go ahead and check it out. So assuming you have an array of data, this is how the expected result should look like. So in PHP, you have your label and your value. And if you want anyone to be active, you just need to specify active equal to true. Then you can just use this function to return it as a JSON-encoded array, and it will come out in this output. So this is the desired output we want to put in our form. So all I have to do is just copy this and we'll test it out. Let me come and add a new form to page. Then I'll just add a select field. It works with select with your checkboxes, your radio buttons, any of them will work. So select. Let me drop that in and delete all of the other options. Okay. Then you come to your select field, go under options, and then change it from nestable to JSON. This will now give you a text area to add your JSON data. So let me first go ahead and delete this inner option. That's only necessary when you're using the nestable option. When you're using any other one, you don't need that inner option element. So now I'll come to my JSON data and then I'll paste it. And that's it. If I save it, you can see it's already being populated. If I come to the front end, so let me just go to the front end, refresh the page. You see, we get our Bricksforge and advanced thema. If you right click and inspect, you'd see that the data is being formatted properly. So inside the select field, we have an option. The label is the Bricksforge and the value is Bricksforge. So that's how we do it here, label and value. Why is this useful? So say you have a lot of data, which I'll just generate now using ChatGPT. So I can say something like, help me, let me just paste something here. So like, help me create a JSON array of European countries showing label as the country name and value as the 3-letter country code. And what it does, it just generates the array for me. Okay, so all I have to do is now copy this array, come back to my select field and replace that data, save it. Then when we come back, refresh, we can close this. You see, we have all our countries all formatted for us. So I didn't need to start adding all of this data manually, so one after the other. I just have to just use ChatGPT to generate my JSON array with just a simple prompt, and it gets our value in there. So all I have to do is now, if you test it out, right click, inspect, you see we have the select field. Inside, we have the 3-letter country code as the value, and the label is the country name. And yeah, that's how easy it is. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.